Stampler Auctions invites you to attend an auction on Thursday, November 15th in North Miami. We are selling the assets formerly of Say Towing, including tow trucks, container, tractor, vehicles, and more. Go to StamplerAuctions.com for more information on the 93 MACK tow truck, 99 Ford F450, 95 Ford F350, and 96 International Flatbed. Additionally, we have a tractor, a Cadillac, a Rambler, a scooter, a golf cart, two-post lifts, welders, compressors, and much more. See you in North Miami at 11 a.m. for the Say Towing auction. Everything to be sold to the highest confirmed bidders on Thursday, November 15th. At 4 p.m. on the same day, we'll be traveling to Hollywood to sell approximately 10 vehicles for the United States Bankruptcy Court, multiple trustees, and sellers. Highlights are a Maserati SPYDER, a Mercedes S600, and a 1925 Ford Model T, and a large MACK pump truck. See you all there.